Just a few steps, we'll show you how to set up and fully customize your diffuser using the Aromely app. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Aromely, then tap Download or Install. Once the app opens, allow notifications, so it can detect your time zone and properly schedule your diffuser. On the homepage, you'll find quick access to our diffuser models, oils, and room sprays. You can also switch languages by tapping the world icon at the top right corner to toggle between English and Spanish. Step 2. From the home screen, tap Manage Diffusers. When prompted, allow Bluetooth access so the app can connect to your device. Your diffuser will appear automatically if it's powered on and within Bluetooth range. You'll know its name and signal strength: green for strong, red for weak. If you need help, simply tap Setup Instructions at the bottom for step-by-step guides on all Aromely models. Tap Done to go back. Step 3. Customize your diffuser settings. To get started, simply tap on your diffuser to open the Details and Working Mode screen. Here's what you can do from this screen. Rename your diffuser to something meaningful, like Living Room or Spa Vibes, so it's easier to keep track. Add personal notes, like which fragrance blend you're currently using. This is great for remembering your favorites, or keeping track of what's in each space. Adjust the fan speed, if your model supports it. You can set it to high, medium, or off. Off will show as red. The fan helps push the scent into the air when your diffuser is working on its own, but it's not always necessary, so feel free to experiment. Switch the time format by tapping the clock icon. Choose between 12-hour and 24-hour display, whichever feels more natural to you. Change your diffuser's password in the settings. Totally optional, but handy if you want a little extra privacy or control. Step 4. Let's set your first schedule. Tap the plus icon to create a new schedule. You can create up to 5 schedules per diffuser. Select the days the schedule should be active. Days will be highlighted in dark purple when selected. The ones in white aren't selected. In this case, the diffuser will work from Monday to Friday. Set active hours and diffusion times. Customize when your diffuser runs to match your space and routine. Your square footage, number of rooms, and scent intensity preferences will all influence how you set it up. Every space is different, so any examples provided are intended as general guidance only. Set start and end times. Start time. This is when your diffuser will turn on for the day. In this example, it's set to 9 a.m. We recommend starting about 1 hour before you typically wake up to ease into your day with your favorite scent. End time. This is when the diffuser will automatically turn off. Here it's set to 9 p.m. We suggest ending the cycle about 1 hour before bedtime to allow the scent to settle gently. Diffusion cycles. A diffusion cycle controls how long the diffuser releases scent and how long it pauses between bursts. Diffusion time. Set how long the diffuser runs during each cycle. If the scent is too weak, increase the diffusion time. Here, we've chosen 60 seconds. Pause time. Set how long the diffuser pauses between cycles. If the scent is too strong, increase the pause time. In this example, it's set to 100 seconds. These are just examples to guide you in setting up your diffuser. Adjust based on your preference for the perfect balance. Let's recap. In this example, the diffuser runs Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. with a 60-second diffusion time and a 100-second pause time. Apply schedule to save your settings. You'll be redirected to the home page, where you can activate your schedule. When the toggle is green, the schedule is active. When it's red, the schedule is inactive. To edit a schedule, tap the pencil icon. To delete one, tap the trash icon in the top right corner. You need help? For technical support, tap the associate-shaped icon located in the top right corner. There, you'll find step-by-step instructions, our support phone number, tap to call, and your service tag code. When you call, please provide your service tag code to our support team. Support is available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you start a remote session, you can end at any time by tapping End Remote Support Session. And that's it. Your Aromely Diffuser is ready to make your home feel like a 5-star hotel every day. From quick setup to custom scent schedules, the app puts full control at your fingertips. You're all set to enjoy the art of scent.